In this video, I will explain the Python laboratory activity, challenging version Lab 1 to 3. Part 1. Variables and data types. 3 problems. Number 1. Student information system. This code asks for the student's ID, name, section, and 3 grades using input and float input. Then it calculates the average using grade 1 plus grade 2 plus grade 3 and divided by into 3. And the output will finally print a formatted report showing all information neatly. Number 2. Salary calculator. It asks for the employee's name, basic salary, and overtime hours. Each overtime hours at 150, so we multiply overtime hours by 150 and add to the basic salary. Then we calculate 12% tax and subtract it from the gross to get net salary. And the output will display everything with 2 decimal places using format or round. In number 3, online shopping cart, we input 3 product names, quantities, and prices. For each product, we multiply quantity times price to get the total amount per item. Then add them all to get the overall total. Then the output will look like a mini receipt showing each item and total cost. For part 2, conditional statements if, 3 problems. Number 1, leap year. Input a year. A leap year happens when it's divisible by 4 and not by 100, or divisible by 400. Then print either a leap year or not a leap year. Number 2, triangle type identifier. Input 3 sides A, B, C. First, check if it forms a valid triangle. Sum of 2 sides is greater than third side. If valid, all equal will print into equilateral, 2 equal will print into isosceles, and all different will type into scalene. Else, not a valid triangle. Number 3, number comparison game. Input 3 numbers, number 1, num2, and num3. Find the largest number using max, then check if it's even or odd using modulus 2. And then print the result. In part 3, conditional statements, if else, 3 problems. Number 1, scholarship eligibility. Input average grade and family income. If average is greater equals to 90 and income less than 200,000, we'll print into full scholarship. And if average is greater to equals 85 and income is less than 500,000, and print as partial scholarship. Else, print not eligible. In number 2, electricity bill calculator. Input kilowatts used. If less than greater to 100 will be 5 pesos per kilowatts. Else, 8 pesos. Add 50 service charge, then print the total bill. For number 3, user and password validation. Input username and password. If they match admin and 12345, show login successful. Otherwise, print invalid credentials. And that's it for the explanation of these codes.